What is up, guys? Pup T from Life, Liberty, and a Homestead. And I just finished a project just a moment ago. And like everything, it's right into the next project. So I'm getting ready to build a doghouse that's really going to be for our generator that we got yesterday in case of storms and stuff like that. So here we go. We're going to get on that one. But before we begin, if you have ever built something and it wasn't square, go ahead, follow Baby Lulu's head, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me some wild comments. Y'all are crazy. And let's get this video started. Woo! So the plan is to make it 32 by 32 square all the way around, little tin roof, stuff like that. So I'm going to use the leftover wood we have from the tree house to begin this build. So here we go. And what I've calculated is I need 8 pieces by 32, so that'll be the base of each wall plus the plus the roof, I guess. So that's what I'm doing. But if I do it that way, just thought about that, it's not going to be square. It'll be rectangle. So I need 32. Let me see, I need 4 at 32. And then I will need 4 at, let's see, 4 at 3.5, that's 7. 7 minus 32 is 28. Yeah. So I'm gonna need 28. I'm gonna need 4 at 28. 4 at 32, 4 at 28. One more 28. Sorry guys, the wind is brutal. It's been that way past like week now, so I'm trying to set you up all nice and tight. Here we go. Let's see if that don't work. All right. I do need. Woo, wind's blowing. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Let's see if with all these scraps, I ain't got 9. That's 3. So right now, I'm making the 4 walls. So. Alright, so for the sides, I have 2x6 by 10, a couple of those, and I have one 2x6 by 8. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for kind of like my siding, because again, I have it laying around. It'll strengthen up the sides and all that stuff so that we can move forward on our project. So originally we have bought, or when we made our order for the treehouse wood. It was going to be treehouse plus chicken coop, and we were going to kind of build a fairly large chicken coop. But as you guys have seen with the pole barn videos, that we went ahead and started refurbishing the pole barn, and we had an area inside there that was large enough that we could have a chicken coop inside there. So that's what we ended up doing, which then meant we had more wood for other projects. So like you seen, built the firewood shed. Now I'm building this box for our generator. So I mean, no wood's going to waste. Like I said about being frugal, you know, if you got it, use it. So like some of that tin that we have left over, it's gonna go to the side of the pole barn and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut these 32 inches. So hopefully we have enough to cover at least 3 of the 4 sides. If not, I'll just order some more and pick it up tomorrow or whatnot. But let's do it. And normally, no, I wouldn't use 2x6, but like I said, we have extra because we bought enough for a chicken coop. So this generator box is huge, right? Way overbuilt. Like I said earlier, I'm just using the wood that I have left over from the initial treehouse build. So it's got 2x6s, gonna be all the way around on 4 sides, but on 3 sides it'll be completely in place all the time. On the front side, it will I'm gonna make it to where it comes off, so that when we need to utilize it, we can take that off, pull the generator out, utilize it. Also on top, I was trying to come up with this crazy roof idea and stuff like that, but literally what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 4x4 base where it sits down and then cover that with tin. So that's what I got going on right now. One more 32 and 264s, and then I can start to build the top box. And then after, so I'm going back out to the treehouse probably today some, but I got to build that platform for the zip line, because Saturday, I believe, or maybe Monday it is, next Monday, the zip line's coming, so I got to build a platform for that too. So, but this is a heavy box, let me tell you. All right, check it out. The generator cover is complete. Well, 95%. Like I said, I got a on the front side, I'm going to build a door that we can just shove in there, but it's way overbuilt. The top is just a lid that'll come right off. But that's what we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably a little short, but that's all right. They all can't be 10-20 minutes long. But again, I'm headed off to the woods. Like I said, I gotta start prepping the wall and the railings, get out there, see how much I can get done. So before you go, one last time, follow baby Lulu's head. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me some wild comments. Y'all look crazy. I love you. We love you. We'll see y'all in the next video.